Hello everybody, I hope everybody's having a great day today. Today is the second half of my Sephora order. I'll give you one. I'm not sure if I'm wearing this today, but I got this. We'll start with this one. Don't you love my short intros? Okay, what color did I get? Hope. Because there was 3 left. And I think this was the darkest that was left. There we go. It's beautiful. It really is. It's very pinky coral. It's almost the same color as my blush. I'm waiting a few seconds to see if there's going to be a tint. Let it set. Don't you love? I'm going to be putting on another blush on to set this, but I need it to just set down and that I will do with you guys. So might not be long enough, but let's get rid of the goop. Yeah, I don't think it was long enough, but that's okay. That's okay. That's okay. It's pretty. So here is the pièce de résistance. I got another Natasha Denona palette. It's not the Glam, but I got another Natasha Denona palette. I guess Natasha Denona is getting out of Sephora Canada because all the palettes were on half price. And that's essentially how I got my other two, the Love palette and the Zendo. And the Love palette, I managed to get another 25% off that one as well. And this one I got another 20% off as well. So essentially I paid $35. Yeah, it's purple. It's purple. Okay, I want to start. I'm not going to give you guys the names unless I can actually see them, but my vision is pretty bad. If you guys haven't figured that one out yet. I can see from far perfectly. Like my progressives have no vision, just for my astigmatism and strabismus, and the bottom is for reading. That's my prescription. No prescription, prescription. Okay, so I want to, let's, Jude. There's not a lot of shimmers in here. I'm hoping that says psychedelic because all I read is psychopathic. That one looks like a topper. Let's see if Pretty is a shimmer because it looks a bit like, okay, so it must be a satin. This one, ooh, Swing. I'll do those for now because the rest look like mattes from here. Oh, did I do Hello? I did not. I did not. I did not. Okay, now I did. So I am going to, I think I'm wearing pink. I was thinking of staying on this side because I love the colors. I'm going to start with Andy. No, I lied. I'm going to start with Mad. Just to set my, what's it called? Urban Decay lid thing. Haven't done a video all weekend. I've already posted my video this morning. And I need to go and do some studying after this. I'm feeling so proud of myself. Okay, Andy it is. Andy. I need to find myself another little mini series. What do you guys think of me going through and doing a look on all of my ColourPop palettes? Now remember, my ColourPop palettes are not counted as part of my palettes. they are exclusive, and I've actually thought I might declutter a couple, because I know one baby girl who would love to get her hands on one or two, and the first time I thought of that last week, I just did a double take. I never thought I would say that, but I do have a fair few. My drawer is a little snug. Don't get me wrong, in the middle it's clear, but it's both sides that are tight, and I don't like that. And I don't want to get my little organizer that's in there out, because it makes things easier to see, and I like being able to see what's going on. I don't like things so snug that you can't see what you have. Like, this is a video that's going to be coming, but I went through my blushes, and today when I went in to look for a couple of blushes, it was easy. It was easy. And now I know that I need to get a couple of more blushes, because everything I have is coral or orange. And here I was thinking I didn't have any. Okay, I need to deepen my crease, and I don't know what I'm going to use. I'll try this one, number 14. Looks like I'm going purple. I don't know how I feel about that. But there we go, and that is Groove, and Andy is right there. So let's get into the groove. Despigmented. You know what? I am using the wrong brush. See, that's the problem with my memory. I just swiped it once, barely touching. This is a clean brush. This is wow. I didn't realize it was going to be that pigmented. I think it took off a little. Holy schlamoli. I love it. Okay. Now we come down to this little beauty. Smidge, because the blush is glowy enough, so just a bit of a C, just a bit of a C. And I've got this eyelash that's bugging me. Okay, just a bit. Just a bit. Too much. Okay, we'll leave the highlighting alone. I think I've done enough. Now then. Okay. I'm back. Okay, now my camera died. Well, shut off, and I figured I could put on my lashes. Mascara. I've got Black Cherry and I've got Hope. Okay. Black Cherry and Hope. Black Cherry it is. I need an excuse to wear it. I've been getting good at putting on the lip scrub. I know I could have put on a nude lipstick, but my lips are flaking. They're so dry. So I thought this would be better, and it won't take as much away from the eye look as opposed to the cheeks. But I like it. I can't help it. I like it. I really like it. I'm glad. It's not the Glam palette, but it's the retro palette. I've got 3 now. I've got 3. Less than half price each. Now, if the rose metals could go on sale so I could do the same thing, I would be happy. I don't want the other one, but just the rose metals. Yeah, I'd be good with that one. Let's not talk into about makeup I want. I saw somebody use something that I can't get out of my head from since Thursday. Can't. Just can't. And I'm like, how am I gonna get how am I gonna get it? So let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to do a let me do a mini series on all of my ColourPop, excluding Harry Potter. Because I would be happy. I wouldn't be surprised if I had at least 15. I've got a lot more ColourPop palettes than I have Super Shocks. Thank you everybody once again for coming to visit with me. Please leave me a comment, like my video, and subscribe to my channel. A bientôt.